Here are some of the things you can do when you stay at Coastal Cliffs in Brookings, Oregon. Go to the beach. There are 9 beaches within 10 minutes of Coastal Cliffs, each with its own distinctive character. Get your toes in the sand, explore tide pools and exotic rock formations. Relax to the rhythm of the surf. You never know what you'll find at the beach. Now that you've worked up an appetite, check out the more than 40 restaurants in town. You'll find most of your favorites, but also some of the finest seafood on the planet. World-class fish and chips, clam chowder, fish tacos, salmon, and fantastic sushi. You can also sample Thai, Mexican, Irish, Chinese, Italian, and Brazilian cuisine. Now it's time to meet the Redwoods. Just a little ways down the road, you can visit the Jedediah Smith Redwood State Park. Okay, technically that's in California, but you can throw a rock and hit California from Brookings. If you've never seen the Redwoods, this park protects 10,000 acres of primeval redwood groves. Some of these trees are over 300 feet tall, and they can live for over 2,000 years. If you're fond of fishing and want to try your hand, you can charter a boat right here in harbor. For the ocean, experienced guides will outfit you whether you're going for bottom fish, salmon, or even tuna. Or you can fly fish for steelhead right on the Chetco River. You can play a round of golf at the beautiful Salmon Run Golf Club just a couple miles upriver. And speaking of the rivers, rent a kayak or paddleboard and explore them on your own. Yes, there's a lot to do in the Brookings area, and Coastal Cliffs is the perfect home base from which to launch your adventures. And your hosts, Patrick and Barbara, will do everything possible to make your stay a memorable one.